What are release notes? A release note is a document produced and distributed alongside the launch of a new software product or a product update. Potentially, a release note can talk about new features, existing feature enhancements, bug fixes, known issues, and so on. Contrary to popular perception, release notes serve different purposes for different stakeholders. Some of the common ones include providing end users with a brief summary of the changes in the product, along with an overview of how these changes impact them. Informing support team members about the alterations in the product so that they are up to date while communicating with the customers. Keeping the marketing and sales teams in the loop so they can talk about some of those hot features. Allowing the dev team to maintain documentation of all the changes that have happened to the product over a period of time. So visit Amoeboids.com now to know more about the automated release notes app for Jira.